Assalamu alaikum, everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning about plurals, passive voice, plurals for passive voice and feminine of passive voice. So without any further delay, let's hop onto our third lecture. You can also access notes for this lecture from our website. Just search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge and click on the first link or click on the link in description. Plurals for males. To write plurals for males, simply add een or un. Now the question is when to use een and when to use un. Simply you don't have to. As we have mentioned, we will teach you Arabic as simply as possible so you can understand the Quran. You just have to remember that whenever any of these two are used in the Quran, it is a plural for males. You don't have to know why they are two separate words and what for, as it is a totally another topic which is not needed now.
قاتل قاتل
Male murderers.
ناصر ناصرين
Male helpers.
ناظر ناظرين
Male questioners, people who ask questions. Plurals for females. To write plurals for females, simply add oth in the end.
قاتلات
Female murderers.
ناصرات
Female helpers.
ناظرات
Female questioners. Passive voice, for object. How to say someone on whom action has already been happened. To do so we just have to follow some rules. Since the action that happened has become past, therefore past tense verbs are used to make passive voice for objects. Rule number 1. Add meme with zabr as the first letter. Rule number 2. Add sakin on the second letter. Rule number 3. Add pesh on the third letter. Rule number 4. Add waw as the second last letter. Rule number 5. Add sakin on the last letter. For example,
مضروب
one who has been beat.
مقتول
One who has been killed.
معقول
The thing which we eat.
معقول
One who is not guilty.
مسجود
One whom we prostrate for, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
مضروب
One who has been beat.
مضروب مضروب
More than one males who have been beat.
مضروبة
One female who has been beat.
مضروبة
More than one females who have been beat. This is how we write plural, feminine and plural of feminine for passive voice for objects. This brings us to the end of our lecture. We hope you understand what we taught you in this short lecture. You can access notes for this lecture by visiting our website, Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge. Link in description. Make sure you share these lectures with your family and friends so that they can also have a chance to understand the word of Allah, that is Quran. Revise thoroughly what we have taught you above. These are not all the words in the Quran. These are a few words we have chosen as an example so that you can have a know how they are used. Till then, take care, Allah Hafiz.